To prepare for your refugee hearing, understand what category you have applied. Look at the category very closely. Then gather all your evidences, what kind of evidence you want to put up before the member judge to support your cause. It's an individual case, so you show whatever documentation you have, whatever audio presentations you have, whatever video presentations you have, whatever pictures you have, whatever affidavits, whatever testimonies, whatever if somebody is ready to testify on your behalf to the member judge. There are ways and means, like you have to prove your case.
Introducing Canada to the world.
What is PRRA?
So basically it's a PRA. PRA is a document when a client or when a person gets deportation order, the CBSA might give you a PRA document, which means that pre-risk removal assessment.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV, Toronto, Canada.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.
Introducing Canada to the world. My name is Mr. Bruce. Please make sure you share this video. Guys, don't forget to come to the Meet and Greet Festival 2025. We will bring the date out soon. And we have Say Hi and Remember too. We have a WhatsApp group too in Canada. We are 2,400 plus members. You can join this WhatsApp group plus this number +1 289 242 3465 +1 289 242 3465. Today is Canada Interesting Questions of the Day. Canada Interesting Questions of the Day. I am here with RCIC IRB Mr. Shailesh from Swagat Immigration. Guys, please don't forget to share this video. Mr. Shailesh, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Mr. Bruce.
Nice. White South Africans granted refugee status in the United States. White people from South Africa in the United States of America.
Well, Mr. Trump has come out with a weird notion that white people are being discriminated in South Africa. So he wants to fight against the racism. He says the black people, the black government right now in South Africa is, discriminating white people in South Africa. So he wants to give them asylum here in USA. So it's a concept according to him because that's his political base. So by and large, it depends upon what kind of political process you want to pursue. But we may not agree, but this is what the fact is. So the President of the United States thinks that white people are being prosecuted or discriminated.
What is TRP? A lot of people, they are confused.
TRP is temporary resident permit. It's an application you apply when you don't have any other choice. Basically, you are inadmissible to Canada and you have to overcome your inadmissibility for some reasons. Then we make an application to the immigration department. It's an on-paper application. It's not an online application like other applications. So the visa officer, a senior visa officer, goes through this TRP application. He has a lot of discretionary power, whether to overcome your to give you a study permit or a work permit, or to overcome your inadmissibility to Canada. So that can be done through a TRP application. There is a particular process to it. You want more information on whether you qualify for TRP or TRP is a good tool for you, you can contact us. We'll be able to help you out. Most of the time, people who are illegal or who didn't go to school for certain reason for more than 150 days, this could be a good tool for them to restore their study permit. So contact us. We may advise you for TRP or other ways.
What is the update about the bill C2? Any update yet?
The bill is still in proposal state, but sooner or later it will be presented in Parliament. There will be a vote in Parliament, and it may pass through with certain amendments, but the government has already informed its intent to tighten up the whole process. About the border security bill, it is going to affect a lot of refugees. It's going to affect people who are coming through the border in certain way. The CBSA officers will have more powers. So when you land here in Canada, you could be scrutinized. You could be asked more questions. Your laptop, phones, maybe, since the bill is right now proposed, maybe the visa officer or the CBSA officer may be able to open it up with your permission. He may ask you for the password, and he may deny you entry if you refuse to give him your password or let him check your phone. He may further have investigative power to request more documentation, question you further. So basically it's tightening up the border and giving more power to CBSA officers and immigration officers at the border.
A lot of people call me Mr. Bruce. My hearing date is close. Some of them, they are not ready for the hearing. How do one prepare for a refugee?
To prepare for your refugee hearing, understand what category you have applied. Look at the category very, very closely. Then gather all your evidences, what kind of evidence you want to put up before the member judge to support your cause. It's an individual case, so you show whatever documentation you have, whatever audio presentations you have, whatever video presentations you have, whatever pictures you have, whatever affidavits, whatever testimonies, whatever if somebody is ready to testify on your behalf to the member judge. There are ways and means, like you have to prove your case. So the onus is on you to provide all the documentation or to provide your document narrative that supports whatever you're trying to tell. So you have to be prepared for that, and prepare yourself as to what kind of questions you might be asked. So the questions about the legitimacy of your case has to be well documented or well presented, and you should be able to demonstrate very, very clearly that whatever you said in your BOC and narrative is true, and you are seeking asylum for that particular reason.
This week, a guy called me Mr. Bruce. I've been sent back to Ghana by the Immigration of Canada, and they issue, what is PRRA?
So basically it's a PRA. PRA is a document when a client or when a person gets deportation order, the CBSA might give you a PRA document, which means that pre-risk removal assessment. So if you get that document, you contact us. We'll try to file your application as per the PRA norms. You have to demonstrate in PRA why and what kind of torture, what kind of risk you'll face when you go back to your country. And this instrument, again, can lead to permanent residency in Canada. So when you get a PRA, don't panic, contact us. We should be able to help you out with your PRA application. And so basically it's a different way. It's not a refugee application. In refugee application, refugee board looks at your application. In PRA, it's the CBSA officer will go through your documentation, and he will decide if you face a real threat to your life.
Guys, don't forget to share this video. You can follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Someone lost his PR card. How can that person travel?
If you lose your PR card, you can apply for PRTD in the country where you're traveling for. PRTD is a travel document you will get from the Canadian Embassy, and you can apply online. You can contact the embassy over there, inform them you lost your PR card, and once you get a PRTD document, you can travel, you can show to the airline, and you'll land here in Canada. And later on, you can apply for a new PR card.
Leave Canada as soon as possible. Why Canada tell people that?
Well, if you have been illegal in Canada, you are advised by the immigration officer to leave Canada as soon as possible. So the officer wants to inform you that if you do not leave Canada immediately, or as soon as possible, based upon whatever he found illegality in your application, then legal proceedings may start, which could result in removal orders. It could be a departure order, it could be an exclusion order, it could be a deportation order. So if it's a departure order, then a fixed time will be given to you. Within 30 days, you leave Canada. If it's an exclusion order, the officer might say between 1 to 5 years, you are being excluded to come to Canada. If it's a deportation order, that means you are barred from life unless until you, get an ARC, authorization to return to Canada, which is very difficult. Again, you have to make a case why you want to come back to Canada once you are deported, for your illegality. So it's advisable you contact someone who knows the thing and who can try to help you out if you get such letters.
Guys, please make sure you share this video. Mr. Shalish can help you for your refugee claim, visitor visa, study permit to Canada, and spousal application, express entry, PMP. Thank you for coming, Mr. Shalish.
Thank you, Mr. Bruce. Pleasure. And we'll see and meet everybody at Meet and Greet program. All my Ghanaian friends, I'm waiting to see you in person at Meet and Greet. And I'm also encouraging you to come here on Sundays. We have free advice. Come at here. Mr. Bruce is generally here on Sundays at Swagat Immigration. He can help you out in your language if you have a language barrier. And we are here on Sundays just for you. Do take this opportunity for free consultation.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV, Toronto, Canada.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? This is your boy Watermaya, and I want to tell you all, keep watching Life Goes On TV. Peace out.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Okay, so you got Life Goes On GHTV. Ope Canada and Sema or the Bro. Of course, Ope Ghana and Sem are airco a tree about Bremanina or Dandan Hono dia bro. We Ghana new Obedu Canada. We hear immigration advice. Mr. Bruce Kuya or Bow. If you are for program be a friend, Meet and Greet Festival. This year, Meet and Greet a yeduchum. Until you have for Muntu Mrike, na Mumra, na Yanko, na Yamfa.
Keep watching Life Goes On GATV. We do this every day. Dusty D. Keep watching Life Goes On GATV. Come to Canada. Beautiful country, lovely people. Enjoy.
You already know what it is. Don't forget to join the newcomers group. Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Charlie, untia ubeti. Just understand, hey, Mr. Bruce, never running show. Captain number 1, Odogu, Wawonipia.
Keep watching Life Goes On TV.
Are you a new international student, visitor, or a refugee in Canada? Thinking of where to get help in order to enjoy your stay here? Then, Life Goes On Foundation is here for you. We help you with accommodation posting, job postings, and references, free advice from RCIC, regulated Canadian immigration consultants, sharing and networking, advice and recommendations. So, why won't you tell your friends and family to join Life Goes On Foundation? Because with us, you are sorted. Life Goes On Foundation. Together, we can make it.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.